Hey folks, today we're diving into a scandal that's rocking Zimbabwe to its core. The Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, or ZEC, is in the hot seat after a bombshell 64-page report accused it of money laundering and financing terrorism to undermine elected governments. That's right, this isn't a plot from a political thriller, this is real life. The report, which comes loaded with video and audio recordings, alleges jaw-dropping corruption involving some of Zimbabwe's high-profile figures. According to whistleblower Chivhayo, a well-known ZANU-PF businessman, the ZEC chairperson Justice Priscilla Chigumba, CIO Director General Isaac Moyo, and businessmen Moses Mpofu and Mike Mpofu are all implicated. Chivhayo went public with bank transactions that allegedly show over $40 million being funneled for illicit activities. These transactions, if proven true, could signify one of the largest political corruption scandals in recent history. Now, ZEC has come out swinging to deny all allegations. They argue that the report is nothing but an elaborate smear campaign aimed at discrediting the commission and destabilizing the country. But the evidence presented is hard to ignore. The recordings seem to paint a clear picture of a well-orchestrated scheme. If you're thinking, what does this mean for Zimbabwe? You're not alone. The country has already been through significant political turmoil, and this scandal only adds fuel to the fire. The public is understandably outraged and demanding answers. The implications extend beyond just Zimbabwe. If these allegations are true, it exposes a network of corruption that could affect regional stability in southern Africa. Other governments and international bodies are likely to take notice and could impose sanctions or launch their own investigations. What makes this even more complex is the involvement of multiple high-ranking officials. The report singles out Scott Sakupwanya and Chivhayo as central figures, but the inclusion of the ZEC chairperson and the CIO Director General takes this to another level. These aren't just backroom deals. These are allegations of state-sponsored corruption and terrorism financing. So, where do we go from here? Investigations are likely to intensify, both domestically and internationally. ZEC will need to provide substantial evidence to refute these claims if they hope to maintain any credibility. And for the individuals named in the report, their futures hang in the balance. As always, I'll be keeping an eye on this developing story. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think this scandal will unfold? Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and keep questioning. Catch you later.